right, so I'm giving you guys a walkthrough.
Get blue?
Watch
All right,
exactly what
get in
goes
the
into
batter's
these
box,
poles.
buddy. Ready to go?
If you can't be here with us, I'll bring
all
you
right, let's
here
get
with the
your
video.
Navy Shipyard. Let's
We're
get your
gonna
picture
take a
done.
team photo right now.
All right, on the rope, we have our 5-time champion team from Chesapeake Sheriff's Department. They have won for the last 5 years in a row. I can't understand why. They really don't look that big from here. Neither does Mount McKinley. All righty, they're out of the way. Chesapeake, why don't you do that rope thing that you do?
Team photo out of the way. Defending champion,
Come on,
Chesapeake
guys,
Sheriff's
come on the rope. Here we
Department
go.
going right now.
Train's coming in.
We're up right after them. A lot of pressure. These guys seem like
all right, you know how it works, guys. If you don't, I'll explain it one more time. I will give you the count. Ready, set, pull. And you will pull up by point. Not before. Do not pull quickly. If you pull prematurely, guess what happens? Disqualified. So just focus and do your thing that you do. I will call out the seconds. Chesapeake, are you ready? All right. I'm going to ask the timers. The timers ready? We are going for a championship time here. I will give you the count. Ready, set, pull. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. There's the championship right there. Boom, done. 5.236. Let me repeat. 6-time champion team here.
Fairfax got 4 something.
You know, they're normally not that emotional. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard to think that they actually, you know what I'm saying? All right, they move out of the way so we get the next team in there, guys. Get over to the scale. This is the fun part, weighing them. This is the fun part, taking them over there to weigh them.
Man the rope!
Man the rope. All righty. Aye, Captain, man the rope it is. All righty. Come on, Navy Shipyard, pick up that anchor rope. Let's go. Over that ship. There they go. They twist it all up. I love it. We're going to try to get you in. Let's get in there, guys. Come on, let's get the picture done.
There's Big Steve and Justin.
16, 17, 18, 19,
Reset the timer, please. There you go. Stop it. There you go. It's an emotional thing. All right, let's get the picture taken quickly now. We want to beat the rain. There we go. Take the team picture. Everybody look this way, please. Get in line. Get the little people up front, not in the back row. Come on. Stand up front. There you go. Everybody say, plane pool. Come on.
Here we go, baby.
Look this way. Hang on a second, guys. I'll give you the go. Don't wait. Come on. Out of the way, please. Hey, Navy. You ready? You ready to pull? All right, timer's ready. All right, here we go. On my mark. Ready, set, pull. Then they put a good jerk on that rope. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 8, 9. Good job. Go get Wade. Go get Wade.
Top 3 best times. All right, so we're
going to go on Wade. I'm going to push back. All right, let's get a push back. We're running low on time here. Let's get a push back. All right, what team? All right, keep moving on. Come on, now, move on. Move on, Chesapeake. Come on. Just go back to your chairs. We'll call you when it's come time to pick up the trophy. What happened to the sun?
Hi, Steve.
Oh, it's you guys. Keep moving. You don't notice they walk by the sun over the way? It's a big thing. All right, we're going to get the rain. Hurry up.
It's always so hard to get it moving fast.
This is what it's all about, guys.
I'm gonna chill over here and die for a second. All right, get too old. That's his first pull. So if y'all make sure you're all on the scale, we can stop moving for a few seconds. We'll get the weights. 61, 61, 65. 61, 65. Chesapeake's weight. What was that? Chesapeake was 76.85. Hey, we're building. We're catching up.
Alright, so that's in here. We're going to keep walking.
Heaviest team by 1,200 pounds.
Good going, guys. Are we still the lightest team? 50 feet? 31, 50.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's kind of alarming that we're the lightest team by 600 pounds, but there were only 11 of us and there's 25 of them.
You beat them.
We just got second place?
Second place, guys.
We just got second place?
We're a strong number 2. See, there you go.
JetBlue, take the rope, please. JetBlue on the rope.
Oh, baby. Come on, do it again.
1, 2, 3, junk. The junk people.
Thanks,
1, 2, 3. That's you out front here, right?
That's awesome.
Alrighty. We're going to try to get you to get the rope pull before it rains.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's all right. We were part of that.
And we did what we came to do.
That's right. We made it happen.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll go help them.
I was just going to say that.
How many they got?
They don't have enough. I'm stopping.